was a massive fan of spray polish until I've started doing some reading around it. And we get very hung up about air quality outside, but what these sprays do to air quality inside the home, apart from all the chemicals, I'll leave it to you to read up about all the stuff that's contained in there. So I've decided to make my own, and I've saved my rapeseed little spray oil bottle, and this is fantastic for your wooden furniture. Let me show you. Mixing together rapeseed oil, white vinegar and lavender oil, and I've got here a wooden based table lamp. Spray the polish onto your cloth, not straight onto the wood because the wood will just soak it in, but you'll see that the result is immediate. The wood polishes up, it looks beautiful, it's non-sticky. In fact, I'm going all the way around the house now.